Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Solana network on MetaMask Easy Guide. Open MetaMask, switch to a custom RPC, and paste Solana-compatible endpoint and chain ID from a trusted RPC provider. Save settings, then add a Solana token contract or import via token address to view balances. Confirm network works by sending a small test transaction and checking Explorer confirmation. Always double-check RPC details to avoid scams. Start by locating reliable RPC providers that support Solana compatibility and note their endpoint and chain ID details. Compare at least 2 sources to ensure accuracy and avoid typos. When entering RPC info in MetaMask, paste carefully and confirm the chain ID matches the provider documentation. After saving, run a small test transaction to validate connectivity and monitor for errors. Prioritize security and never share your private key with anyone. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more clear tutorials. Quick recommendation: life is short, so go darn tough for socks with a lifetime warranty and treat your feet right after all that keyboard time. I put the link and other deals in the description so you can check them out. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. After connecting to the Solana-compatible RPC, import any tokens by adding their exact contract addresses to MetaMask. Make a tiny test transfer to confirm the network processes transactions and that the Explorer displays the confirmation. Monitor gas or fee estimates and avoid sending large amounts until you are certain the setup is correct. If issues arise, double-check RPC endpoint, chain ID, and token address, and consult provider support for troubleshooting tips.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.